That is correct to a certain extent, because India has been trying to isolate Pakistan or to accuse Pakistan of cross-border terrorism, so to say. But no country or that really did not get much traction around the world, that narrative which India, false narrative which India tried to build. And I'm sure India must be rethinking or repositioning itself. But as I said earlier, uh, they at present cannot match the way Pakistan placed itself around the world. We have, as I said, strong relations. They may be temporary with the US, but at the moment, we have good access in the White House. Similarly, we have excellent relations with the Gulf countries, particularly our strategic mutual defense agreement with Saudi Arabia speaks for itself. So, whatever India does at this point in time, it seems that it would not really gain much or cannot undermine Pakistan's diplomatic efforts.